Hey guys, it's that Dividend guy coming at you with another Robinhood portfolio update. Happy Tuesday. Hopefully everybody's having a GGD, a great green day in the market. You know I always wish the best for my viewers and subscribers, even when I have a red day like today. So we're going to go over the overall portfolio performance. We're going to go over the buying power, the dividends that I was paid yesterday, the individual holdings, and then my watch list. So for today, we're down about $200. For the week, we are up $555. For the month, we're up $2,300, up 8%. The 3 month mark, we're up $3,600, up 13%. For the year, we're up $8,800, up almost 40%. And then all time, since April 13th of 2018, we're up nearly $7,000, up almost 29%. So doing pretty good here. Buying power is at 833 because we got paid a dividend. We got paid a couple dividends actually, which we will cover those later. So jumping right in, we got paid a dividend from O last night of $4.69. So we have 20 shares, about 1,200. Almost $1,300 of market value. Average cost is around $49 a share. 4.1% of the portfolio is in realty income, up 80 cents today, up 310 total, up 32% on realty income. Then we have Allstate, my insurance company for this set of months. We have 6 shares, about $700 of market value. Average cost is $105.88. 2.23% of the portfolio is in Allstate, down around $9 today, up almost $60 total, up 9.4%, and a dividend coming in on April 1st of $4.86. Next, we have Coca-Cola, 21 shares of this Dividend King, over $1,000 of market value. Average cost is $51.39. 3.45% of the portfolio is in Coca-Cola, up $5.25 today, down $2.25, and a dividend coming in of $8.82. Excited about that. Next, we have WP Carey. 16 shares, $1,100 of market value. Average cost is a little over $70. About 3.6% of the portfolio is in WP Carey, down $1.44 today, down $1.81 total. Dividend has not been announced, but it does pay next month. Then we have Altria Group, 152 shares, $7,500 of market value. Average cost is $43.59. 24% of the portfolio is in MO. That has gone down from like nearly 30%. So I've been buying other securities, and that's one of the main goals, is to make insurance a very big portion of the portfolio by splitting it up amongst every month. I want insurance paying me, and to get some of those big payers like Altria, AT&T, and ExxonMobil down, not because I don't believe in those companies or I don't like those companies, but I'm overexposed and I want to change that this year. So we are down $57 today, up almost around $890, up almost 14% on MO. Dividend has not been announced for next month yet. Then we have AT&T, one that I just bought. So I sold out of 3N simply because the dividend was better for AT&T. Nothing against 3N. Kind of what I did with McDonald's when I switched it for FAF as well. But repurposing capital in the portfolio, I feel like, is just as important as investing itself. So reallocating your capital to make you more money is, kind of is a big important part of investing as well, because you're kind of losing out on gains when you have a stock that doesn't pay you as much. So we have 158 shares, $4,700 of market value, about around $30 is our average cost, $29.67. 15.2% of the portfolio is in AT&T, up $7.90 today, up around $50 total, up a little over 1%. Then we have AbbVie. We have 60 shares, $6,600 of market value. 72.22 is our average cost. 21.36% of the portfolio is in AbbVie, up $44 today, up $2,300, up 53.69%, so about 54% on AbbVie. And then, as you guys can see, I did sell 3N, but I do have 2 stocks that I will be filling in that gap. So I do have 4 stocks paying me every single month. But I'll get to those later as we get down the list here. Next, we have Aflac at 48 shares total. We have $2,400 of market value. 46.28 is our average cost. About 8% of the portfolio is in Aflac, down $49 today, up $231 total, up 10% on Aflac. Then we have FAF. This is the company I switched out for McDonald's simply because I wanted more insurance in the portfolio, and I got more money reallocating it towards FAF than I did in McDonald's, and I like the growth rate and payout ratio more for FAF and the business model as well. So more insurance, can't go wrong with that. We got 8 shares, $441.92 for market value. Average cost is right around $57, 1.42% of the portfolio is in FAF, down $8 today, down $13, down 3%, which is great. That's exactly what I want. I want it to go down so I can buy this great company at a lower price at a higher yield, so that's great. Next, we have Black Hills, my utility. 2 shares, 133.34 for an average cost of 60.53. 0.43% of the portfolio is in Black Hills. That will be going up once I get the insurance positions where I want it. Up 54 cents today, up $12, up 10.14% on Black Hills. Then the big payer for this month being ExxonMobil. 86 shares, $5,000 of market value. Average cost is $52.74. 16.2% of the portfolio is in ExxonMobil, down $119 today. Total, we are up $538, up 11.86% on ExxonMobil. So for the watch list, guys, I will add Travelers as well. But I think I'm going to be going with Chubb simply because I was thinking about it and I don't have a stock that actually pays 4 stocks that pay in January, which Chubb will. So Coca-Cola actually pays 4, 7, 10, 12, and Chubb will actually make it so I get paid on the first by 4 stocks. So it covers Coca-Cola's absence for the first set of months. So that will be the goal. I think I'm going to go with Chubb because I like them. They're a big insurance company. Either them or Travelers will be the last stock in the portfolio. So right now, it could be Chubb. It could be Travelers, depending. But Chubb is at $72 a share right now. 172, and that is close to the 52-week highs, so not buying Chubb here. If it comes down to it, I will buy Travelers if it's a better value than Chubb, or if I like the dividend growth rate, I have to do more research on both of them. I've done a lot of research on Travelers, but not a lot on Chubb. It's been on the watch list, but I didn't really look into it a lot. I just looked into it as an option for the insurance that set of months, and I liked Allstate a little bit better. But it does fill in the gap for Coca-Cola, so that's why I'm leaning more towards Chubb than I am for Travelers. Next, we have Alliant Energy. This will be the utility stock that is replacing 3N because I like the consistency in the business model. Everybody needs electricity, and everybody in my state pays Alliant Energy. So I pay them every month. So does my parents. So does everybody in my state. So they have consistent revenue because people need electricity. So Alliant Energy at 52.70, definitely close to the 52-week high, but I want it just to add it to the portfolio. The dividend growth's been okay, but it's a utility, so they generally don't do crazy big dividend hikes, but I want it for the consistency, and I do believe that people will use more electricity now, in the future than they do now, so I think it's an ever-growing dividend and a great business. Next, we have Lincoln Financial. This is the insurance company for this set of months. At $61 a share, I want to own it, so I'll be buying it here pretty soon. And then Berkshire, I added them back. Shouldn't have gotten rid of them. I didn't mean to do that. But Berkshire at $251. It is definitely close to a buy, but not quite yet. But definitely a company I want to add with the various insurance companies and businesses that they have under their belt. So very insurance-based, and that's how I want the portfolio to be. So currently, we are in the month of March, so I will be buying stocks if I can get them for April, being 14710. I will be adding Chubb and WP Carey or Coca-Cola unless the X dates are passed. Then I will be adding to the second set of months, which is where Alliant Energy and Lincoln Financial come in. So I will be buying those relatively soon. So I have 4 stocks paying me every single month, and then the next month that I will be buying Chubb, and then it'll only be Berkshire Hathaway on my watch list, and I'll buy that for Christmas this year, and then I'll have every stock that I want. So I will be purchasing Alliant Energy and Lincoln Financial relatively soon, maybe by the end of the week, depending on my paycheck. So that'll be the update for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully everybody had a great green day in the market, and I will see you guys tomorrow with another Robinhood portfolio update. Take care, guys. Remember to invest positively, and remember to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss tomorrow's update. Take care, guys. See you tomorrow.